Electricity has become an important part of our daily lives, driving innovation, changing industries, and making it easier for people around the world to meet. But have you ever thought about where this amazing source of power came from? The first recorded use of electricity was in ancient Greece. Thales of Miletus discovered that rubbing amber with fur created a static charge. This was the first example of the triboelectric effect, which is still used today in generators. In the 17th century, English scientist Robert Boyle invented the first vacuum pump. This allowed him to study the properties of electricity in a vacuum. He discovered that electricity can flow through a vacuum, which is essential for the operation of light bulbs and other electronic devices. In the 18th century, American inventor Benjamin Franklin conducted a series of experiments to learn more about electricity. He invented the lightning rod, which protects buildings from lightning strikes. He also discovered that positive and negative charges attract each other, while like charges repel each other. This is the fundamental principle of electricity. In 1800, Italian physicist Alessandro Volta invented the first battery, which could store and produce electricity. This invention was a major breakthrough, as it allowed scientists to study electricity in a controlled environment. In 1831, English scientist Michael Faraday discovered electromagnetic induction, the principle behind the electric generator. This invention was a major turning point in the history of electrical power, as it allowed for the generation of electricity on a large scale. In the late 19th century, American inventor Thomas Edison invented the first practical light bulb. This led to the widespread electrification of homes and businesses. Edison also founded the first electric utility company, which provided electricity to customers in New York City. In the late 19th century, Serbian-American inventor Nikola Tesla developed alternating current, AC, a more efficient way to transmit electricity over long distances. AC eventually replaced direct current, DC, as the standard for electrical power transmission. In the 20th century, electrical technology continued to advance rapidly. The invention of the transistor in 1947 revolutionized electronics. Transistors are small, reliable, and energy-efficient devices that can be used to amplify, switch, and control electrical signals. This led to the development of new electronic devices such as computers, radios, and televisions. Today, the electrical grid is a complex network of power plants, transmission lines, and distribution systems that delivers electricity to our homes and businesses. The grid is constantly evolving to meet the growing demand for electricity and to incorporate new technologies, such as renewable energy sources. Electrical power has transformed our world in countless ways. It has made our lives easier, more comfortable, and more productive. As we look to the future, we can expect even more amazing things from this powerful force.